Viewers, welcome back to our channel. So this video is related to the computer MCQ questions. ಈ computer questions ಮೇಲೆ RRB technician, SSC CHSL and also KSET exam ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. So first question ನೋಡೋಣ. Which memory is a volatile in nature? The right answer option A, RAM is the right answer. RAM memory is the volatile in nature. So next question, which of the following is a non-volatile memory used in pen drives and memory cards? The right answer option B, flash memory is the right answer. It is a flash memory, it is a non-volatile memory that is used in pen drives and memory cards. Next question, which memory is the fastest? The right answer option B, cache memory is the fastest memory. And next question, which of the following is an example of secondary memory? The right answer option A is the right answer. Hard disk is the secondary memory is the best example for. Thank you.